Today's video regarding HP Deskjet Ink Advantage 2335 printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer, and you will see there is a front door here, so we have to open this, and there is another door behind it, so just open that and wait for the ink cartridges and to come and move into the middle. Once they are here, we simply have to press the ink cartridge down and take it out. And to install the new ink cartridge, just place the color ink cartridge on the color side, slide it in, push it in, it will lock. So you hear the lock sound. Hold the printer with the other hand so that it doesn't move and push it in. Once you close the ink cartridge chamber door, your ink cartridges are ready to use. Also, ink cartridge number is written on the door. It also shows the pin number, serial number, so you can just check all the details from here. Now close all the doors and you are ready to use it. Thanks for watching.